Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the subtitle shadow feature on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and click to the settings icon. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the third option, the subtitles, and go to the subtitles shadow section, and here you can find an option, the subtitles shadow, and if you want to enable, just click to the next square icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.